Thank you, everyone, for these contributions. This was very helpful to hear. I'm very happy to see that debate that we need to take the next step with Europe, that is not something that only occupies us here in the European Parliament and in the other EU institutions, but it seems to be a shared feeling in the wider European scene. And I was in Helsinki as well for the COSAC meeting in the last 2 days, and to see that national parliaments are so eager for that discussion. I mean, they basically started a 2-hour spontaneous debate on the conference on the future of Europe, and really expressed that they as well see that need for deep reform, for taking a next step. I think that's a very promising sign to see that goes far beyond the EU institutions. I think what will be important now as a next step, because we have a bit that situation now where different institutional players all say, well, I want to be in the room. And of course, everyone wants to be in the room when important questions and the future of Europe is discussed, right? But I think what ultimately makes this process strong is that we all come with ideas, right? And the European Parliament is right in the middle of that process of putting a position on the table, what we think of how this process should work. And I think it would be absolutely fantastic if all those other institutions, if all those other players that want to contribute to that debate come with their ideas, come with their proposals on how should this conference look like, what should we debate, what are the burning questions that we should answer, and obviously that goes as well for citizens to have their say in this. But so I can only very strongly invite national parliaments, regional parliaments, civil society to come with their proposals, to put something to paper, to find larger groups that support this, and then we all come together in the next few months and make this conference happen. I was very happy to hear you, Mr. Lamberts, particularly on this idea of drawn by lot citizens' assemblies, because I think that is also very much where the debate here in the European Parliament is going at the moment. And if I'm not mistaken, the Committee of the Regions has actually, as one of the few actors so far, you ran a sample European citizens' assembly on this, and I'd very much appreciate to hear a bit your point of view, how that went, what did you learn, and what can the Conference on the Future of Europe learn from that experience? Thanks.